wanted to make something clear. Y'all probably think that I am the biggest fat ass ever for posting all these mukbangs, but I don't eat all day until it's time to film. So I wanted to get that out there because I was looking at my channel and I was like, damn, people probably think I am such a fat ass with my secret butter sauce and all of this. But I just don't eat until it's time to film. Hello everybody, Brook Dalton here, and welcome back to another seafood boil mukbang. So as you can tell, we have some juicy lobsters, a whole bunch of colossal shrimp, and ginormous king crab claws. So I don't know about you, but I'm ready to dive right in, so let's get started. Absolutely addicted to these dragon fruit vitamin waters. They are so delicious. I can't even begin to explain. And oh my god, I don't even know where to start. So I have some scissors to cut right through all of these claws. Right here I have my delicious secret butter sauce that is out of this world. If you want the ingredients to this sauce, go ahead and check the description down below. This is still so boiling hot. I am shook. But let's give that a whirl. Let's dip that right in. Make sure you get down to the bottom of the sauce because that's where all the good stuff is hiding. And of course, we have some lemons. So let's squirt that lemon juice. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. This is out of this world. It is really good and really salty. I'm about to just rip right into these lobsters. I ain't got no time to waste. Just like that. So I made my boil today with a special, like, salty goodness that I heard about, and I was told I had to try it, no exceptions, so you know I did. Oh my gosh. There we have it, the lobster tail. Let's go ahead and get it down into this sauce. Y'all, this is so good. So I'm actually thinking about ordering a 15-pound lobster. So if y'all are interested in seeing me get a 15-pound lobster, just let me know, because you know I will in a heartbeat. Oh my god. So I made this sauce with chili flakes this time, so it's super spicy and so good. Oh my god. So, if you guys didn't see yet, I made a hot Cheeto mukbang. Hot Cheeto lobster tails. And people seem to really like it. I know a few people wanted to see how I made it, and I would love to show you guys. So, maybe I'm going to go ahead and make that soon. I'm not sure. I have so many video ideas going on right now. So I don't even know. I don't even know what my life has become. Every day is just a surprise to me, and I don't know what the hell I'm gonna film. Let's cut this puppy open. Guys, you cannot do a seafood boil without scissors. It is seriously mandatory. Oh my gosh. Do you guys like lobster claws or crab claws more? Let me know down in the comment section because I am not sure. I like them both, but I feel like lobster claws are just so good. Oh my god. Let me find where a little shrimp is hiding. Ooh, I added some shrimp to this one, y'all. Let's get down in that butter and grab some juicy lemon. Oh, yeah. Y'all. Oh, I could not make this up. Even if I tried. That is where it's at. Guys, this butter sauce, I'm telling you, there is something so special about this that you won't know until you try it. That's what I'm talking about. So good. You know, some people be sucking the heads off of these lobsters. I don't do that. You'll never see me sucking on a lobster's head. But these claws, ooh, I'm telling you. If anyone wants to come over and do a seafood mukbang with me, let me know. I would love to have people come over and we can cook and just have a good time and enjoy some lobster and crab. You know, some of these are easy to get out and some of them are a little bit more difficult, and I'll never understand why. Yeah, but I came across a 15-pound lobster. It's delivery only, so they overnight it to your house. And I'm really thinking about getting one. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. This butter sauce, I'm telling you, it is where it's at. Yeah, these crab claws are a little bit interesting. I don't know if I'm supposed to have like a damn hammer. I know some restaurants that serve crab and seafood, they give you a hammer. But, it is so good. Just compared to lobster claws, it's a little bit different. I am not familiar with these. So, I wanted to make something clear. Y'all probably think that I am the biggest fat ass ever for posting all these mukbangs, but I don't eat all day until it's time to film. So I wanted to get that out there because I was looking at my channel and I was like, damn, people probably think I am such a fat ass with my secret butter sauce and all of this. But I just don't eat until it's time to film. All day long, I'm running and walking my dog. So, y'all can think whatever you want. I don't know about you guys, but I think that salty butter sauces go so much better with seafood. Like, I feel like all the salt makes it so good. Let's go ahead and collab. Who wants to collab? Send me an email, leave a comment, and you can come on over to my house and we will have a seafood party. Oh my God. Oh, these are the best. Guys, what is your favorite seafood? Please let me know down in the comment sections. My favorite has to be lobster tails. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Deceased. Oh my god. Yeah, so not much is new in my neck of the woods. I just got an amazing phone call today that a van that I've been looking for. I've been looking for a van, you guys. I am really interested in what is called on the YouTube community van life. As some of you might know, I have been to 33 countries, which yes, I am very proud of. I am 23 years old and I've really worked hard to reach that number. But all I'm trying to say is van life, I feel like, would be so perfect for the way I would like to live my life. Down by the water, you can sleep and you're safe, and I could go on, but I got a phone call and it sounds promising. So, I am really excited about that. Right now, they're still on vacation, so when they get back, oh my god. When they get back, apparently, we are going to meet up, and I'm going to be able to check out the van. So, I am really excited about that because, like I said, that is a huge dream of mine. Oh my god. These vitamin waters are so good. Ooh, there we go. That was a nice one. Oh my god. So spicy, guys. I made my sauce so much extra spicy today. That's a nice claw. Y'all, all I do know is these like lobster crustacean bones are a little bit weird to me. Like, what even are you? Are you a bone? Like, what are you? So, don't get me wrong. These crabs are really good. I'm a lobster guy. I am a lobster guy. I seen these crab legs and I had to give them a whirl. But at the end of the day, I'm a lobster guy. I think it tastes better. I think there's more meat involved. I think just overall, ooh, this is a good, see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I'm hyping up lobsters and then before I know it, oh god damn, this one's actually pretty damn juicy. Okay. What's really good, although I feel like there is a bone in here. Like, what even is this lobster bone? What is a lobster bone? Oh my god. That is so juicy. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is out of this world. But these shrimp though, oh my gosh. Bon appetit is what the hell I'm talking about. Booyah, interception. Oh my god. So like I say on all of my mukbangs, do not be afraid to get a little bit dirty. We have a lot of butters. It's just so good. Boom. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, I'm telling y'all, these little lobster crab bones are kind of fucking weird. They're like, they're crispy like a Lay's potato chip, but like I don't want that. I don't want a crispy Lay's potato chip crab. No. No, thank you. Oh my god. Well guys, I am getting really full, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this seafood mukbang. And if you guys would like to see more videos just like this one, don't be afraid to come back to my channel tomorrow or the next day, because who knows, that 15-pound lobster from Maine might be here any day now. So I'm really excited to unbox and unleash that beast. But anyways, don't forget to press the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit that like if you would like to see more. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!